Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely beautiful 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Gorgeous car, guys. 1,200 miles on a complete rotisserie restoration, and I am telling you, gorgeous. Factory FE5 red car. This is the original color combination. Now, originally this was a 3-3 4-speed car. It has now been converted to a 440 6-pack 4-speed car with a shaker hood. Beautifully done. I will say this, I bought this car. The guy told me he had all the paperwork on the restoration. My buddy has gone down there, picked it up from him, and he is mailing it to me. So paperwork is on the way. But gorgeous car, man. Like I say, 1,200 miles on the car since it's been completed. It's got a wicked fun 440 6-pack with aluminum heads on it, 4-speed. It is fun to drive, man. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. I've got the hood pins, guys. I just got them out for the to make it quicker when they open the hood on the video. But just that's a little bug there, guys. Just a gorgeous car, man. This guy just did a beautiful restoration on this car. Replaced the bumpers, grills in excellent shape. You guys missed some bugs in there, that's for sure. Again, he added the shaker hood, but it was a real Cuda. This is a real BS VIN Cuda, and it was an original 4-speed car right from the beginning. It's got the dual body color mirrors on it. Gorgeous FE5 red paint, guys. Oh, this thing's got beautiful paint. Thing absolutely beats the ground, and it is fun to drive, guys. If you want something with some get up and go, you will like this car. Again, nice and straight down the sides. 15-inch Rallye wheels on it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. I know some people have been waiting on this video, and I apologize. We took a deposit on it right away. Oh, shoot. We got dirt all over here. That's probably coming around. We had some rain this morning. So I apologize. We took a deposit on it right away, and we haven't heard from the gentleman again. So it is for sale. Which is why I don't take refundable deposits. Disc brake car, you can see it's all body color on that front subframe on underneath or in the wheel wells. It's got a 68 440 in it, Edelbrock 6-pack setup, Edelbrock aluminum heads. You can see the aluminum radiator with a shroud, power steering. It's got TTI headers in it, power front disc brakes. Electronic ignition. It's got the pistol grip 4-speed manual transmission underneath the hood. Detailed up real nice underneath here. Original fender tag, and again, it is a real FE5 red car, and it is a factory 4-speed car. Seeing those wheel wells. It is a warm day, doggone it. Beautiful car, man. You've heard me say it before, this car's got eyes. I mean, it just jumps right out at you. It's just a little lax here, guys, if you see that. Timber seat replaced all these, door handles are new. New door rubbers. Oh, I've got the caps too. He didn't have them. They're on back order. They are here now. We'll get those put in. I'll show you what I'm talking about. New carpets, all new legendary interior. New sill plates. These are what I'm talking about. They're on back order. I've got them. So, bucket seats, console. It's got the Hurst Pistol Grip shifter, factory steering wheel. It's got, shows a little age to it. Said it's all new legendary interior. 61,021 miles. That's supposed to be the original miles on the car. Factory Rally dash. TAC does not work. It's going to need a converter too, because it's been converted over to electronic ignition. He's got the gauges mounted underneath, AM radio. What else? It's got Dynomax dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear end. Again, 1,200 miles on the Restoration. Beautiful, beautiful paint. It's all body color in the trunk. I mean, they did a nice job on this car. They blacked out, just put black on the floorboards. Again, the front subframe's all body color, like you can see it up front. New fuel tank. Again, Dynomax dual exhaust. Door skins are nice and clean. This is just a beautiful car. And a hard car to come by. Again, we'll get the door caps in there. You can see how the seats are all repadded and refoamed. Dash pad's nice. If you want, I've actually got the replacement wood grain for that dash too. I'm gonna start it. I didn't really want to put it on, but it goes with the car. And again, all the paperwork's on the way. Car is wicked, guys. Fun to drive. Sorry, my hands are all sweaty. You put those pins in it, Mike. Again, TAC's not working, fuel gauge works, car's holding good old pressure. You can see it's temp gauge works. Are they working up there? Looks like some of the gauges are working. I think the temp gauge is only working down below. Doors opening, closed, nice. On the radio, blower motor, is it working? Yep, blower motor works. I think it goes in the reverse light works too, doesn't it? Nope, I thought it did work. I thought it did work, to be honest. I think that reverse light works. We'll check it. I thought it worked. Wipers. Wipers. Oh, we got to adjust them. Okay, guys, yep. We got to adjust the wipers. But they do work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.